It's finally here. The ultimate collector's box has arrived from Majorette. And check this out, it's such a huge one. Let's cut it open. Really wonder what's inside. So Majorette celebrates its 60th anniversary this year in 2024. That's why they have released a wide range of cars with the anniversary design in different versions, more about that later on. As you can see, it's fully packed with lots of models. They are all available as well at the Majorette webshop, by the way. Link in the description. It starts with these first ever models. They do look like Formula 1 cars from the 60s, so perfectly well fitted to the origin of Majorette in 1964. Those anniversary editions do all come in red packaging design with gold. Of course, with the 60s anniversary badge as well, resembling the colors of Majorette. Those first ever models come with rubber tires, different colors and starting numbers. Each of them do have a driver inside. By the way, there are 6 different colors available. We come a bit later to this calendar. All the different models are shown on the packaging here. Each of these first ever models come with a collector's box, by the way. They are called first ever because the very first car produced from Majorette looked like that, a typical race car from the 60s. The next interesting series are these premium models. They also come in red and gold, with suspension but plastic wheels. The idea behind these is that all 6 cars from this series represent a different era from 1960 up to 2015. This one here, for example, represents 1968, even the Majorette logo changes through the years. Because this Alfa Romeo Giulia therefore comes with the actual Majorette logo and represents 2015. Another series to mention are these deluxe models. Those cars in particular represent the long-lasting partnership with car brands such as Porsche, Volkswagen, Nissan, Lamborghini and more. Each of these cars come with a matching metal box with the same colors as the model itself, such as these models here, like the Volkswagen bus or this rally legend on the right. They all come with rubber tires, such a tin box and opening parts, by the way. Also, Ford is part of the 60s anniversary deluxe series with this Ford Mustang here. Super glad that the colors vary extremely much. That yellow tone strikes hardly. Then this must be the 6th car of the first ever series, which comes in the original Majorette colors in red and gold. Next car of the deluxe series is this one here, an absolute rally legend. Fun fact is that we got the first release of the Maxi Turbo R5 from 1983 as well. More about that later on. Pretty sure that one won't hang for long on the pegs, because it's a Skyline. It's actually the first time we see the mighty R34 GTR in the Majorette lineup. Really wonder if collectors go crazy for it, such as the Hot Wheels models. The last one of the deluxe series comes with a super striking design as well. The Lamborghini Countach LP 400 in black, gold and red. I'm not the world's biggest Lamborghini fan, but the Countach in such a crazy spec looks phenomenally good. As usual, the metal box fits to the car as well. Another one of the premium series is this brand new casting as well, the Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. This one represents together with the logo the 70s of Majorette, because the Mercedes is from 1975. Next one out of the premium series is this Toyota FJ Cruiser, which represents the 2000s. Then we got this Chevy Corvette here with the typical 90s design. This ZR1 reminds at the year of 1990. And the last one out of the premium series fulfills the 80s. This Volvo here with the typical design is a 240 GL from 1985 to cover every decade from 1960 up to 2020. And the final product is this 5-pack collector's gift set with 2 additional releases beside the other 3 models which we've seen from the premium series already. One of them is the Citroën DS21 from 1968 on the very left, followed by the Datsun 260Z from 1974. Both are only available within this set. Over here you see all 6 different first ever models side by side. Which one is your favorite color choice? Let us know in the comments down below. Now you're going to see all 6 different premium models side by side. Which decade is your favorite? When did you buy your very first Majorette model? Let us know in the comments. Up next, all 6 different deluxe models side by side. As previously mentioned before, here is the model from 1983. Crazy how much Majorette has developed within the years. So which one of all 6 deluxe editions is your favorite? As usual, write it down in the comments. The 5-car collector's pack is a great addition too. Really love the packaging design, although Majorette has still lots of problems to find a good and sturdy plastic material which won't break that easy. As you can see, our set has suffered a bit. Oh, and we almost forgot to show you the 60s anniversary calendar though. From January to December it shows some of the best pictures shot from other Majorette lovers on Instagram. Their Instagram name is always mentioned on the bottom right corner, so be sure to check them out. So that's it. Link of the Majorette website is in the description. Thank you guys as always for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Cheers.